Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So today I've got a really special treat for you. I've got an amazing TomaHawk steak. Look at this. And that is what you call a steak. So we're going to season this up really beautiful. It's just salt, pepper, garlic. Then we're going to put it on the smoker. I'm going to take it up to about 125. Then we're going to put it in a cast iron skillet and I'll show you how we're going to finish it off. So really seasoned beautifully, just salt and pepper. Fine layer of garlic. So we'll let that rest. Let that salt start to do its thing, then we'll put it on the offset. Right, so the steak's had 10 minutes for that salt and pepper to adhere. Time to put it on the smoker. I'm going to put it bone side towards the firebox. I'm going to put it right in the middle at the top. Get loads of beautiful smoke on that. So I'm going to take it up to 125. I'm going to stick a probe in it as well. As soon as it hits 125, it's off and then into the cast iron skillet for a beautiful sear. So just close it down and let it rock and roll. Right, before I forget, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the old subscribe button, it really helps me out. So the next thing we're going to do is make a little compound butter. So I've got about 150 grams of butter here. It was in the fridge, I should have got it out earlier. I'm a bit thick, so I didn't. As we work it, it'll start to melt anyway. And then to that, I've got 3 cloves of garlic. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Nice pinch of pepper, and then we're going to combine all that together to give it a good mix round. So you can add different things to this as well. I've added chives to it before, you know, you can add some chili to it as well. There's loads of different combinations, but basically what you're just doing is making the butter, and I'll show you a little trick at the end, so stay tuned for that. But we're just making a little butter just to finish it off and make it that extra bit special. So I've got a clean ramekin. And I'm going to get some cling film, like so. Press that one in, so try and squeeze in as best you can. Oh, the old spitfire going across. Just say a Mitchell invented the engine in the old Spitfire. Here in Kent, the Spitfire is actually located pretty close and it's flying past all the time, so we come like waves to the guy, but don't know if he sees us, but the kids love it, that's the main thing. So you've got your cling film all pushed in. Then what we're going to do is add our butter mix in there as well. Okay. Press that down as best you can with your fork. And then what we're going to do is wrap this over. So you may be wondering kind of like why I've made a block like this. Well, there's a trick I'm going to show you at the end, and it will blow you away. It works so well. So I've pressed that down so you can see in there it's a nice kind of like block. I'm going to put this in the freezer, and it's only going to take like 10 minutes to freeze. It won't take long, but then we'll get that back at the end and I'll show you something special. So you can see at the moment the pit's bouncing around 230 and the internal temperature of the meat is 91. That's what it's looking like at the moment. So pretty awesome. Got some beautiful colour forming on that. Lovely. Okay, so it's now time to temp it. So with my Firm Pen 1, and I will leave a link to this in the description down below so you can get one of these. This is probably the most useful tool you could probably ever have. So let's have a look how we're doing. Oh, the beautiful colour on that, and that's telling me there 126, there 125. So this is a perfect time to take off. So we're going to take off and sear it really hard. So you want a really nice crust on it. this is rested for a little bit. Now it's time to get our block. So because we froze in this, we have got a beautiful shape to put on top of our steak. So let's put that on there like that. And then there's one last trick that you're going to do, which will make this amazing. So as you can see, this steak turned out absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh, that tastes beautiful. You've got all those, the salt and pepper and the garlic on it has really done its job. And then putting that garlic butter across the top and then caramelising that down with that coal. Wow, that is amazing. And taking that smoke, taking it up to 120 and then searing it off and getting a really hard bark over the top of it. That steak is so juicy and succulent. So thanks very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a little thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to the channel. Your subscriptions mean the world to me. They really do. They show me that actually I'm doing something right, that people are enjoying my videos. So if you could hit that old subscribe button, I really would appreciate it. But until the next video, take care of yourselves and I'll see you then.